Good morning. I saw that it was 8:35 and I decided to just hop on for a second, stop my packing. I just want to thank Ruth. She bought me a coffee time mug and it's nice and big, so I'm kind of excited. What I want to talk about today is the details of traveling, because I'm traveling a lot and I realized that I didn't rent a car in my next destination. And I was really trying to go through my packing list and figure out what I need for the new climate and figure out all the details of what I needed. And I was realizing that whenever you go on a new adventure, there are all these little details. It doesn't matter whether you're going on a traveling adventure or whether you're going on a new business adventure or going to a new activity or anywhere that you're going. Everything is really can be looked at as an adventure because there's always unknowns. I think it's very easy for me to get anxious and caught up in the how. How am I going to get this all done? How am I going to do this? But really, the whole thing is if I focus on the fact that I'm on to a new adventure and I'm going to get to see my family and I'm really excited. I'm bringing a cough with me from London. But I think that in everything that we do, it's easy to get caught up in how am I going to get it all done, what's going on. But I think it's important that we look at the big picture, the fact that my family is going to be together, that we're going to have this make this wonderful memory, have this wonderful experience, and all the details worked out. As soon as I woke up this morning, I opened up my Hertz app, I rented a car, I took care of it, and you know what, if worst came to worst, when I arrived in my destination city, I could have opened the Hertz app there and rented a car and got it all done. Things work out. But if you start getting anxious, like for me, I start getting anxious. Did I remember this? Did I remember that? Do I have this? Did I do that? Then I think it takes away the joy of what the whole experience could be. So today I wanted to just share with you the idea that if you stay focused on the joy of the experience and everything that's going to go right and how grateful you are for the fact that we can get halfway across the country in 3 hours, that I'm going to meet new friends, that I'm going to see new people, and just think of all the trees that I get to read. It makes it easy when the little details come up and they become almost overwhelming to you. So here's to thinking about the big picture, remembering that if you only focus on those little details, but they need to be focused on, or you get to your destination city and you have no means of transportation, I think you have to balance thinking about the details and also thinking about the big picture. And to all the people that have new babies, for some reason there's a lot of new babies in my life, I think this is a really important message for you because at the beginning there's a lot of details to think about. So, have a really good day. It's just so good to be here at 8:35. And I'll see you soon. I'll be back on my regular schedule soon. I'll let you know when I get back and can go back to my regular schedule. But thank you for watching me at these variety of times. I miss you guys. See you soon. I'd love to hear your comments about what is the big picture right now that you're dealing with. I'd love to hear from you. See you soon. Bye.